All right, in this video, we are going to talk about the reduction formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent. So these reduction formulas, basically the reduction refers to the power. Over here, if you notice on each of these identities, you have a squared. And then on the right-hand side, the power on the cosine function is just 1 in that case, okay? And so it's a power reduction, and sometimes people call them the power reduction formulas, okay? And so there are just certain occasions where you'll want to reduce the power in order to be able to do something else, and that's what these formulas are designed for, okay? And in the next video, we are going to take a look at some examples of how to do this. Actually, in fact, let's just go ahead and do this. Do one quick example here. All right. The question says, use a power reducing formula to rewrite the expression with an exponent no higher than 1. So here we have cosine squared of 5x. Okay, and so the identity that we are going to use is this power reduction formula for cosine here. All right, so looking at that one, we have 1/2 1 plus the cosine of 2. All right, and now here's where it gets slightly tricky, right? In this particular one, just make sure that you know how to apply these, right? So in this case, 5x is playing the role of x in the power reduction formula, right? And so what you've got to do when you use the power reduction formula is whatever is the argument of that cosine squared, you have to times it by 2. So in this example, right, it's 5x. And so you'd have to multiply this times 5x in there. So if there's a place to go wrong on these, it's that part right there. I still find myself not doing that all the time. So it's just, I don't know. To me, it's just kind of an easy thing to gloss over. So you have to be really careful about that part. All right, and so then just simplifying that out, we can see that cosine squared of 5x is the same as 1/2 1 plus cosine 10x. Okay. All right, and that is it. And in the next video, we'll do a couple more complicated examples.